Hi guys, my name is ARA and you're watching Buntis Vlog. As mentioned in our week 34 pregnancy update, we will be doing a baby essentials haul. Basically, these are the items that a newborn needs. So, in this vlog, we will discuss one by one or why each item is considered as essential to newborns. So these are the items that we bought in malls. Honestly, I really had a hard time to choose or to decide on what items to buy because as a first-time mom, it's really difficult for you to decide. So what I did, I asked for help or I consulted my mother on which items and she was able to give me a list of these essentials. So, let's start. These are the basic garments that newborns need. This will keep them warm and comfortable. I chose white as the basic color since it is more comfortable for newborns, and tie-side shirts will enable an easy changing for parents. Newborns will have a hard time regulating their body temperature, so we will need cap, mittens, and booties. Mittens are also very useful in the first few days to prevent them from scratching their face. Babies spit up most of the time, but using bibs can avoid you having to change your baby's clothes every after feeding. There will be more than 100 times of diaper changes during infancy. Using washable, reusable cotton diapers will keep our baby comfortable. It will also help us save money and care for the environment. Binders will protect the belly button of newborns from infection. The popular use of receiving blankets is to swaddle a baby to sleep, but it can also be a substitute for a changing mat, burp cloth, and used to cover a nursing mother. Newborns sleep a lot, typically up to 16 to 17 hours a day. Small pillows will make them feel comfortable and sleep well. Mosquito nets to protect them from insects and mosquito bites. Changing mat is useful since we will be changing diapers from time to time. We don't want to hang their clothes on rusty wires, so a hanger with many clips will save us. Those were the few items that we bought. So before I end this video, I'd like to leave some tips, especially to first-time moms who are still confused on what to buy for their newborns. Number 1, ask help from elders. They have the best experience, so we should learn from it. Buy items that are on sale or with low prices. Or you can also buy budget packs to at least 2 to 3 sets with 3 to 6 pieces in it so that you can save money. Anyway, you can buy more clothes or garments or things or baby items whenever the baby is born. It's important to choose the quality of the items you will buy. Of course, we need to consider that these items are comfortable enough for newborns since they have sensitive skin. Millions of bacteria live in it, so we should wash them properly because we don't want our newborn to be infected with germs and bacteria. So that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope this video makes sense to you, especially to first-time moms. Please like, comment, and subscribe. God bless and to God be the glory.